Welcome back for another one of our weekly luxury property tours. Today, we're looking at a beautiful Hidden Hills home that is listed for $17,995,000 and has gorgeous finishes all the way around. Please like, comment, and subscribe so you can catch us on the next property tour. Long Valley Estate is located in Hidden Hills, an upscale guard-gated equestrian community. The estate is situated on a large corner lot and features a lovely contemporary farmhouse surrounded by magnificent oak and olive trees. When you first walk into the house, you are greeted with an immense entry lobby with a custom-designed glass staircase and a double-height chandelier that illuminates the room. On the main level, an open floor plan unites all of the home's high-functioning spaces and leads to huge Fleetwood pocket doors that seamlessly mix indoor and outdoor living for ultimate entertainment. With top-of-the-line equipment and a modern and sleek design that includes marble worktops throughout and a book-matched marble-lined hood, the kitchen delivers great utility. A huge family screening room, guest bedroom, and home office are included on the first level. A family room area connects the primary suite and 3 additional bedrooms on the top floor of the property. The master suite has a boutique-style walk-in closet with handcrafted aluminum and glass cabinetry. A stunning book-matched bespoke wall accentuates the shower and floating bathtub with Graff fixtures as you enter the main bath. A resort-style pool and spa, as well as a cabana with bar and built-in BBQ, and a beautiful green grass await you outside. The Long Valley Estate offers the finest in California interior and outdoor luxury living, ideal for entertaining. A full-size guest house with its own private entrance and kitchen, living room, and 2 bedrooms is located in the back of the property, near to the bridle paths. A swimming pool, tennis courts, leisure center, infinite bridle trails, and horse arenas are all available at the Hidden Hills Community Center.
Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, yeah, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love.
I'd like to finish off by thanking you all for watching. Coming from an architecture and construction background, I always enjoy watching these luxury homes in Hidden Hills. Please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you all again soon.